Woodstock isn't a place. Woodstock is a state of mind. If you got it, you're lucky. Take it with you wherever you go and spread it on. We were so close, there was no room. We bled inside each other's rooms. We all had caught the same disease, and we all sang the songs of peace. Some came to sing, some came to pray, some came to keep the dark away. Lay down, lay down, lay it on down. Let your white bird smile up at the ones who standing around. You gotta lay down, lay down, lay it on down. Let your white bird smile up at the ones who standing around. So raise the candles high, 'cause if you don't, we could stay like a guest tonight. Oh, raise them higher again, and if you do, we could stay dry against the rain. Lay down, lay down, lay it on down. Let your white bird smile up at the ones who standing around. You gotta lay down, lay down, lay it on down. Let your white bird smile up at the ones who standing around. Little sisters of the sun lit candles in the rain, fed the world on oats and raisins, candles in the rain. And then they lit a fire to the soul who never knew he had a friend. Men can live as brothers, I heard him say, candles in the rain. To be there was to remember, so I'm gonna lay it down again. I'm gonna lay it down one more time. Lay it down again. I think that men can live as brothers. Candles in the rain. Raise the candles high, 'cause if you know we could stay like a guest tonight. Oh, raise them high again, and if you do, we could stay dry against the rain.
Cheers.